Hey friends! We're back today with a bunch of hot and exciting news from the world of AI. Last week was packed with major events, especially the big Google I/O, which, as always, dropped some fresh and fascinating updates. We also got some major announcements from Microsoft and other tech giants. We're diving into new models, creative tools, futuristic gadgets, and even how entire industries are being transformed. So stick around, it's gonna be a wild ride. All right, let's kick things off with the biggest highlights from Google I/O 2025. One of the standout announcements was Google's brand new video generation model called Veo 3. What makes this version different, especially compared to Veo 2, is that it doesn't just create high-quality visuals anymore, it adds sound too. Yup, you can now give it dialogue, and Veo 3 will not only generate the video, but actually speak the lines using natural-sounding voices. The progress is seriously impressive. Remember that bizarre Will Smith eating spaghetti video from back in 2023? It looked weird and glitchy at the time. Well, someone gave the same prompt to Veo 3, and the result is shockingly realistic. It's a clear sign of how fast video generation tech is evolving. Looks like with Veo 3, Google is really aiming at filmmakers this time. They also introduced a new platform called Flow, designed specifically for creators to build full scenes, whether it's text to video or frame to video, and stitch them together like a real movie. As for access, Veo 3 is currently available through the Google AI Ultra plan, which normally costs $250 a month. But right now there's a promo, 50% off for the first 3 months, so it's $125 a month. You get 5 generations per day with Veo 3. If that's a bit much, there's still the Google AI Pro plan at $20 a month, which gives access to Veo 2, and even that got some cool upgrades. You can now define camera movement, blend characters with new backgrounds to build custom scenes, use outpainting to expand the video frame, and even remove specific elements from a scene. So yeah, it's not just about better AI, it's becoming a legit production tool. In other parts of the Google universe, they unveiled a super cool new tech called Google Beam, a next-gen video conferencing platform. Basically, it uses multiple cameras to create a 3D version of you, so when you're on a call, the other person sees a way more lifelike version. It's like Zoom on steroids. Another exciting announcement was Google's partnership with Android XR to launch their upcoming smart glasses, which are almost ready to hit the market. These glasses are packed with insane features. Imagine chatting with someone who speaks another language. Your smart glasses will detect the speech, translate it in real time, and show the translation right on your lens. You'll be able to read your messages, ask questions about your surroundings, or even get turn-by-turn directions from Google Maps as augmented reality arrows on the ground. Oh, and you can snap a photo with the glasses and instantly view the result right in front of your eyes. The future's seriously starting to look like sci-fi. Google also rolled out a new feature called AI Overviews in its search results. Basically, it uses AI to generate a quick, summarized answer to your question, right above the usual list of websites, and even cites its sources. This is a game changer for SEO. It means users might get what they need without ever clicking on a site, so how we think about ranking and visibility online could shift big time. Another big reveal? Google introduced a coding agent named Joule. It's integrated with GitHub and can do some seriously powerful stuff, like automatically writing parts of your code base, fixing bugs, running tests, and even submitting pull requests for review. It's like having an AI teammate who never sleeps. In the world of large language models, Google announced the new Gemini 2.5 Pro, which has leveled up big time, especially in math, coding, and multimodal capabilities. It's smarter, faster, and more versatile than ever. They also revealed the Gemma 3 series, a lineup of open-source models. One highlight is Gemma 3 Nano, a lightweight model built for low-power devices like smartphones, but still packing performance comparable to big players like Claude 3.7. Other open-source specialized models were unveiled too. Gemma, designed to translate sign language into text. Gemma, fine-tuned for medical and healthcare use cases. And from DeepMind, we got something really cutting-edge, Alpha Evolvo. This model doesn't just write code, it improves and evolves its own code over time. It's built to discover new knowledge and tackle complex problems. Google's already using it internally. Basically, we're entering an era where AI isn't just helping, it's learning how to help better. Now let's shift gears from Google to Microsoft Build. One of Microsoft's big reveals was a model called Discovery, designed to boost scientific research and R&D. It basically acts like an AI scientist, helping speed up discovery. For example, it already identified a new battery electrolyte that uses 70% less lithium, a huge win for sustainability and energy tech. On the coding side, GitHub Copilot has evolved into a full-blown coding assistant inside GitHub. It can now solve issues, run tests, and help automate dev workflows, making it more than just a code suggester. And here's some big open source news. GitHub Copilot is now open source along with VS Code. That's a huge step toward making powerful AI dev tools more accessible to everyone. Another wild bit of news, Sam Altman from OpenAI is teaming up with legendary Apple designer Johnny Ive to create a brand new physical AI gadget. They've apparently been working on it for 2 years in secret, but it just recently hit the news. Details are still pretty mysterious, but rumors suggest it might not even have a screen and could be worn like a necklace or pendant. Super minimalist, super futuristic. Here's the jaw-dropper. OpenAI acquired Johnny Ive's design team for $67 billion, and Altman claims this single device could add $1 trillion to OpenAI's value. No pressure, right? Looking ahead, there's been a lot of buzz around a thought-provoking article called Absolute Zero. It talks about a key moment in AI's future, when AI becomes smarter than humans. At that point, our existing data just won't cut it for training anymore. The article suggests we'll need new learning strategies, like self-supervised and reinforcement learning, where AI actually creates and solves its own problems to keep learning and improving. Basically, AI will need to start teaching itself. On the business side, Mark Zuckerberg shared his vision for the future of advertising, and it's fully AI-driven. He says AI will handle everything in the ad process, from generating the creative content to selecting and targeting the right audience. Your only job? Set the budget. The future of AI isn't just automation, it's independence. Creative tools have taken a big leap forward lately. One standout is the Avatarify model. It can turn any image into a talking avatar with super accurate lip syncing, all from a simple text input. The avatar could be a person, cartoon, anime character, or even an animal, and it can even speak from different angles. It's perfect for making video podcasts or animated characters that actually talk. Another cool platform is Hixfield, which lets you add all kinds of visual effects to your videos just by using text prompts. Think flood effects or turning into metal. Stability AI has just dropped version 2 of its Stable Video 3D/4D model, and it's pretty wild. It can take a single image or video and generate multi-angle, fully 3D or even 4D views from it. Like other Stability AI tools, it's open source, so the code, the paper, and the model itself are all publicly available. They've also introduced Stable Audio Open Small, an open source model that turns text into sound. It can generate all kinds of audio, sound effects, different voices, or even 11-second music clips just from a prompt. And on top of that, NVIDIA has released a blazing fast open source speech-to-text model. It's so quick, it can subtitle a 60-minute video in just 1 second. These kinds of breakthroughs are really blurring the lines of language and could massively shake up industries like dubbing and translation. All right, folks, that's a wrap on this week's top AI news. The pace of innovation is truly mind-blowing. Every day brings something new that's shaping the future in real time. Hope you found this episode helpful and interesting. Thanks so much for sticking with us till the end. Until next time, take care and see you soon.